Hey guys, so I'm back with a makeup tutorial and I'm starting with the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. This is the green one and I really like it. It's great. It works great. It's a drugstore price. Can't go wrong. So I'm just massaging that in and then I'm going on to my brows using the Scone Cosmetics Brow Wand and I'm just filling in my brows using that. On the one end it has the pencil and on the other end it has a little spoolie. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and I'm just using that to set my brows and make sure that they stay the way I like them. Next up, I'm going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in the shade Eden, and I'm just blending that in with a brush. Next, I'm going in with this cream shade from the Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale Beach Goddess palette, and I'm using that to set my eyeshadow primer. Then I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush from Illuminate and taking that bronzer shade and just buffing that through the crease of my eye. Then I'm taking a mix of these two gold bronze shades and I'm going to be using another Illuminate brush and just packing that onto my lid. Then I'm jumping into the Burgundy palette by Kylie Cosmetics and taking that orange shade and just deepening the crease, focusing mostly on the outer part, but then as you can see, I'm just kind of blending everything together. Then I'm taking a dome-shaped brush and using that same orange shade and just focusing in the outer V of the eye and just kind of packing that on and then blending it out to just kind of darken and give more definition to my eye. Going in with a matte brown shade and again just focusing on that outer corner and darkening it up. The most important thing with a look like this is just a lot of blending. You just want to make sure that all the colors blend together seamlessly and it looks all smooth and pretty and yeah. I'm going in with this gold shade from the Burgundy palette again and just using that to brighten up the lid since all of the darkening of the crease kind of took away from that a little bit. So I'm just brightening that up again with that pretty gold shimmery color. Now I'm going in with a mix of the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me Stick Foundation. And as you can see, I'm just dotting that on my face. And then I'm going to blend it all in using a beauty blender. Next, I'm taking the Airspun powder and using a little puff and just setting my foundation. I'm kind of avoiding my under eyes since I have yet to put on concealer, but I just wanted to set my face right away. Sometimes I do this, or sometimes I wait until I've put on my concealer and then set everything all together. But yeah, so I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer using a flat Urban Decay brush to apply that. And then I'm going to blend it in with a beauty blender as usual. And now with another beauty blender, I'm taking some NARS translucent powder and just setting my under eyes. Sometimes I will use the Airspun powder to set my under eyes. Most of the time I do that, but I realized I had some left of my NARS powder, so I decided to use that for this video. Now I'm using what is actually a blush brush from Crown Cosmetics, and I'm using that to just dust away the excess powder under my eyes and kind of all over my face. And I believe I actually have some of my face powder on that brush, and that's the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I'm just using that to kind of blend in all of the powder that I used and make it look flawless. Now I'm going in with the Chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced that was in the Nikkie Tutorials palette. And I'm just bronzing up my face as well as using that to contour my cheekbones. Next, I'm going in with that gorgeous pink blush from the Beach Goddess palette by Illuminate by Ashley. And I'm using the Illuminate by Ashley blush brush to apply that. It is such a gorgeous pink color that is also kind of like peachy a little bit. It's just so pretty. Then, using the same bronzer from before, as you can see, I'm just putting that on my jawline a bit, and then I'm also going to use that on my nose, and I just kind of quickly go over the sides of my nose, and that's kind of my version of contouring my nose, even though like I'm not really using much precision. But I do that, and then I take my face powder and just kind of buff it out, which clearly I didn't show, but that's what I do. Now, as you can see, I'm smudging my lash line using that orange shade from the Burgundy palette. And I'm just kind of smoking out my lash line using a brush by Vera Mona that is absolutely perfect for your lash line. And I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray to set my face, and I love this stuff. I feel like it really does extend the life of my makeup. Being extra with my fanning in the setting spray. And now going in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I love this stuff. It is such a good mascara. And then for the best part, I'm using the Hourglass powder in the shade Incandescent Light, and I'm highlighting my cheekbones with that, and I'm also going to highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, all the usual places. It gives such a pretty soft glow that is almost a little bit pinky, but not like, I wouldn't call it a pink highlighter, but there's the slightest bit of pink sheen to it. It is such a pretty color. It's definitely more of a subtle highlight, but it's really good. Now, of course, the Ginger Lip Kit by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm sorry I'm not good at showing this because I always end up blocking it with my mirror, but I'm just lining my lips with the lip liner and then putting on liquid lipstick, of course. And that is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. I'm just awkwardly trying to show you the makeup. Please like this video if you enjoyed this tutorial. Comment below what you guys want to see from me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of the new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.